आमकां एक 10-15 मिनटां थंय आपण कितें आसा आमचे इश्यू कसो आसा गार्बेज आमी फाटली 5 वर्सांच्यान कलेक्शन करता ट्राय करता वेस्ट करता सर आयले एकदा आमच्या पंचायती कलेक्शन करता पूण आमचे कडेन सर जागा ना कोमुंदा कितें जागो आसा कोवळ्या कोमुंदा जागो आसा गांवडी कोमुंदा जागो आसा वाडी कोमुंदा जागो आसा सो कोवळे आमचे वाडी रावले आनी वाडी आनी रावले 2 रेवन्यू विलेज जाले मागलेले आसा लेटर केल्ले आसा आतां ती एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर सो तुमी कितें करा सर प्रायवेट लँड सुद्दां जावन गव्हर्मेंट रेटीन आमकां ती जागा दिवपाक सो आमी इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हेजी जागा जाल्यार आमी तिनूय पंचायतीक वॉट एवर चार्जेस कितें आसा जाल्यार पंचायतीक पे करता
This is my second visit actually. Last I visited 4 months back. But not much progress has done from last till now. I've spoken to Madam Deputy Collector. She said that she has already forwarded the proposal. So now I will look at the proposal. Now that was a different issue why we had. Now this is a different issue. Our government basically under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Samant, we have completed 4 years. He has completed 4 years. So he has basically sent all the ministers and he himself has gone to cafe to look at the grievances, if there are any grievances, to hear the grievances directly. Now actually this area has been identified or allotted to me. I heard many of the panchayats basically came up with their grievances, and most of these grievances and the difficulties at this panchayat is this MRF plant, basically to have the MRF area as far as garbage treatment thing is concerned. And that has got to do because they don't have, some people don't have land. So this land basically what they can get is through the comunidad. So now I will basically facilitate as far as with the comunidad, so that the comunidad basically gives them the land. And plus we are basically in the process of amending the Comunidad Act. So I think in that way it will be much easier basically as far as the government to do a working between the government and the community.
So this process will continue?
This process will continue. As I said, no, it should not be just like a photo op. I'm just come here and after this just forget about it. So I have told all the parties, whoever came to meet me with their grievances, I told them that I will do the follow-up, and I told them to come and visit me in my office and take stock of it.
So is it possible to give communal land to the panchayat for garbage treatment?
It is possible to give. So many communal basically has I think it's because it is a part of the working, it is a part of the society basically. And Comunidad also the land must be in that area where the garbage thing is.
So major problem is of garbage.
Major problem is of this to setting up a plant of theirs, as far as sorting out stations are concerned, MRF. That is the major problem as far as I have heard, as far as the panchayats are concerned.
So as your first visit, you have promised that Mamladar office will be shifted ground floor at this building.
That is the reason what I am trying to say. Now that it has not been shifted. There are certain requirements what they needed, and they have sent a file basically for financial